Okay, everyone. So this is the Linux Mastery course class where we are only talk about the implementation, not the theory part. And this is the first video where we are going to set up an environment where we are going to run all of the command. So here we are going to use AWS EC2 instance to implement our all of the commands, right? So this is your AWS console. First, you have to make an account. The previous video, if you skip that, please go through that video. In that video, I have explain how you can create your own AWS account. So once you are created your AWS account, this is your home page. Then you have to come to the search bar and type EC2 instance or EC2, that's it. Open it into the new tab. So EC2 is nothing but a virtual machine where we can implement all of the commands. So you have to come on the dashboard, click on the launch instance, provide a name. Suppose I am going to provide a name Udemy course, right? The image or AMI, which operating system basically I wanted to work on, I'm going to select the Amazon Linux. Then I'm going to take the hardware free tier eligible. That would be enough for this session. If you have already keep here, that is fine. If you don't have, please create a new one. I'll just create a new one. I'll provide Udemy course. There is a name. .pem is fine. Just create a .pem file or secret key. Okay, everything I'll keep it by default. I'll just allow this HTTP traffic, and that's it, and click on the launch instance. So these are the basic configuration. As of now, you don't need to dig into deep about the EC2 instance. You just need to set up the environment where you are going to work on your commands, right? So by this following this small steps, you are going to launch this EC2 instance. We will wait few minutes. Once it is available, like we can see status check 2 by 2, then we are going to connect it with our local system, or we have the web connection as well. So we'll just wait 1 minute. Meanwhile, what we can do, rather than connecting it with our terminal, we can directly go to the web connect, select your instance, go to the connect. Here you can see EC2 instance connect and click on the connect, and it will take like few seconds. Like you can see establishing the connection. Here you can see the public IP and private IP. I'll just close this, and boom, you are able to see that screen. Here you just need to clear the screen, and all of our command we are going to run over here, and we will try to understand the output of it. There is no theory, nothing. There is not a single interview where they are going to ask you what is Linux, why it is developed, who developed, nothing. They are going to ask you the commands, what is the output, when you can use that, all sort of things we are going to cover in this course. So please be tuned. See you into the next video. Thank you.